Today's spotlight is ambient energy harvesters powering wearables and sensors from light, heat, and motion, reducing recharges in homes. These self-powering devices cut battery anxiety and enable off-grid gadgets that update quietly when needed, anywhere, anytime. Programmable metamaterials tune color, acoustics, and signals in real time, embedding adaptive intelligence into walls, windows, and surfaces across smart buildings. Edge AI lets devices learn locally, preserving privacy and speeding responses without cloud dependence. Together, these trends promise a future where daily life is seamless, energy efficient, and secure, guiding thoughtful policy and design.